We've got a do as I say, not as I do moment here. I'm working on this 1990 Buick Reatta convertible in Maui blue with a tan interior that we restored back in 2016, and we get a lot of calls throughout the day of people with headlight issues, and I tell them a lot of times to go ahead and fix both of them. If you're in there doing one, you may as well do the other one. But a lot of people, I understand with the cost, you may only want to do one. But when we restored this car in 2016, we did one. The passenger side headlight motor was giving issues, so we repaired it with one of our headlamp rebuild kits that you can see here. They're available on our website, eastcoastreattaparts.com. It was working perfectly. The driver's side one at the moment was working fine. We didn't see any reason to mess with it. Had the factory crank arm on it and seemed to be working just fine. So, but over the past few years, and really not a lot of miles, we haven't put a ton of miles on this car, it has rounded out, as you can see here, to nothing. There's nothing for the motor to grab onto when it turns to lift the headlight up, which subsequently is leaving this poor headlight just flapping in the breeze. So I always tell people to really think about doing both of them, and I should probably heed my own advice a little bit more often, because here I am on a Saturday night wanting to leave and go to dinner, and I'm working on a headlight. So do as I say, not as I do, and do yourself a favor and go ahead and replace both of them if you're going to be in there doing one. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday night.